Students, if you want, you can subscribe. You can press the subscribe button for subscribe this channel so that you will not miss any video. Okay, whatever video I will upload, you can see now also or for forever, for after also. Okay, so please subscribe my channel. So for that, please just press the subscribe button. Okay, thank you. Hare Krishna students, please see, today I'll teach you that about Khagaha. You can check these things in your book, page number 80. Okay, it is there, but you have to write in your copy now. That's why I'm also writing in my copy so that you can understand how you have to write in your copy. So please write in your copy only, not in the book. Okay, first you will write class 3 CW. You will add only one more thing, date. Okay, so you have to write page number 80. Then Khagaha. Khagaha means bird. In bracket you will write birds. Khagaha, plural na, that's why I wrote here birds. Now, like before, I am writing first English, then Sanskrit. Okay, see, sparrow. Sparrow call in Sanskrit Chatoka. What sparrow in Sanskrit? Chatoka. Pigeon. Pigeon call in Sanskrit Kapotah. What? In Bengali you are telling them paira. That thing in Sanskrit Kapotah. Pigeon means Kapotah. And the sparrow we are telling in Bengali chorui pakhi. Chorui. That thing called Chatoka. Sparrow means Chatoka. And pigeon Kapotah. Don't say paira. Paira in Bengali. In Sanskrit you have to say Kapotah. Pigeon means Kapotah. Next, peacock. In Bengali also we are telling Mayur. In Sanskrit also we have to tell Mayuraha. Visarga is there na. That's why you have to say Mayuraha. Peacock. Mayuraha. Crow. Crow is same as like Bengali. See, Kakaha. In Bengali you are telling na Kak. In Sanskrit, just add the visarga and say Kakaha. Crow means Kakaha. Next, Kakku. Kakku in Bengali, what we are telling? Kokil, am I right? See, in Sanskrit also we are telling Kokilaha. What? Kokilaha. One more another name are here. That is called Pikaha. You have to write both of these and you have to memorize also, because in exam, maybe I'll give Pikaha or I'll give Kakilaha. I also don't know now. Whatever I can give, so you have to write the meaning. If I give English meaning, you have to write Sanskrit. If I give Sanskrit meaning, you have to write English one. So that you have to read both of these. So, Kakku in Sanskrit called Pikaha or Kakilaha. Next one, crane. Crane call in Sanskrit Bakaha. What? Bakaha. See? Please give this sign nicely. Then only it should be Ba. Otherwise it should be Wa. You know na? This is not Wakaha. This is Bakaha. Ba. Simple Ba. Bakaha or Sarashaha. Bakaha and Sarashaha. Both you have to memorize. Please write both only. Bakaha or Sarasaha. Crane, Bakaha, Sarasaha. Now swan. Swan in Sanskrit, Hangshaha. Swan means Hangshaha. In Bengali also we are telling Hangsha. So Hangshaha in Sanskrit. Duck. Duck call in Sanskrit Vartaki. See, this is Va and this is Ba. Bakaha and this is Vartaki. What? Vartaki. Vartaki. Vartaki in Sanskrit, Vartaki. Duck, Vartaki. Okay. Duck means Vartaki. Now, lightning bird. Lightning bird in Sanskrit, Svenaha. What? Svenaha. Lightning bird, Svenaha. Okay. Kite bird, Chillaha. In Bengali, chill. In Sanskrit, Chillaha. Kite bird. It is flying like a kite. That's why It is called chillah. Chillah. Loy. Okay, chillah. And this is swenah. Adha sha. You can see adha sha, then full ya. That means talbo shoy ya. Shya. Then eki matra. Shwe. No visarga. Swenah. And kite bird chillah. Owl call in Sanskrit ulukah. In Hindi we are telling ulluk. Am I right? Ulluk. And in Bengali pecha. But in Sanskrit it is called ulukah. Because Hindi language also came from Sanskrit only. Because Sanskrit is the mother language of all languages. সংস্কৃত হচ্ছে জননী বা মা, সব ভাষার জননী। দ্যাটস ওয়াই হিন্দি অলসো কেম ফ্রম সংস্কৃত অনলি। দ্যাটস ওয়াই ফ্রম উলুকহ উল্লুক কেম ইন হিন্দি। উলুকহ থেকেই উল্লুক এসছে হিন্দিতে। সো ইট ইজ ইজি ফর ইউ নাও। সো আউল কল ইন সংস্কৃত উলুকহ। হোয়াট? উলু, দীর্ঘ উকি মাত্রা, বাড়ি উকি মাত্রা। ওকে, উলুকহ। Then next one, cock. Kukkutah. What? Kukkutah. You can see adha ka. First letter should be half, second letter should be full. Here also see, first letter should be half, second letter should be full. So first law adha, second law full. Here also first ka adha, second ka full. Kukkutah. Cock means kukkutah. So this much only you have to write in your copy. Okay, I'll send you definitely the pictures.